Hi everyone, Dr. Shani here from Houston, Texas. After 7 full days, last Sunday we were hit by the storm real bad. You've probably been catching up on news, on the media, that we did not have any power, any water, and the temperature was 10 degrees. Out of so much norm of Houston or Texas weather. We are back. We are finally back. Lights and power and water and whatever small things are back, but we are not fully functional, but we are some resilient souls. Houston strong. Here is my pretty city of Houston. Life is getting normal. We are back in power. That's another beautiful view of this pretty lake. Yes, life is good. And back to normal, my usual run. Temperature's perfect. It's 70 degrees. Oh my god. After 7 degrees of temperature last week until Friday night, we were freezing, and we are back on our 70s. That's called Houston. Thank you so much. And that's pretty much the story of us.